Well, here I am in Powhatan State Park near Richmond, Virginia, not too far from Richmond, and I really like to hike. That's my new hobby, and I have combined hiking with the spiritual discipline of solitude that was brought out to me in a book by Kenneth Boa, where he's talking about different spiritual traditions. And if it is a spiritual discipline, it must be approached deliberately. And I'm going to show you my little prayer kit that I carry with me. It has here a photograph of my favorite painting in the Boston Museum of Fine Art by Hans Memling, there on the left, 1450 or thereabouts. Older than the United States, older than the discovery of this continent, and by Europeans, and it's still in its original frame. All right, let me get my stuff out. The most significant book I read in 2024, last year, was a book Sent by Heather and Ashley Holleman, and I found it so significant that I actually buy copies to give away. And from that has flowed my Woodlands Prayer Kit, or my Heather Holleman honoring prayer kit. The blue cards are people. This requires a flat surface when you're out in the woods. There's a missionary and his family that I met. Another guy I met. Neighbors. Other neighbors. Let's see what else we got. Other neighbors. I've got friends from years ago. I've got my kids. I've got people with whom I have made a significant conversational connection on the trail. And I lay out all the blue cards, and then I shuffle the white cards. The white cards are prayer prompts. So I can deal out the white cards on the blue cards. And the prayer prompts came from Heather Holleman's book, Sent, and from some works by Kenneth Boa, and maybe a couple of other ideas I've had from teaching Henry Blackaby's book, Experiencing God, so many times, like 17 times. Anyway, this way I don't pray the same thing over and over for the same people, like God bless Jim, God do something about Jim, God bless Jim, God do something about Jim. So here's one from Kenneth Boa's 4 life-changing prayers. Thank you, Father, for Jim. You are the kind Father of glory. Give Jim a spirit of wisdom and reveal things to him as he grows in knowing you. And that's from one of the prayers of Paul. Anyway, that's my kit, and I would encourage you to try something of your own. Play with these things. Play is important. Okay, let's look at a few prompts from the Holleman's book, Sent. God is always at work to draw people to himself. Here's a prayer. Father, instruct me in when, where, how, to whom to communicate. God, give me the right kind of boldness, overcome my fear. Here's one, the thought, I'm uniquely positioned to enter lives, discover how God is at work, and begin having spiritual conversations. How about this one, bind Satan. Speak to people as though they are already believers. What would change in your workplace or community if you were no longer there? Turn their eyes away from worthless things. Pray that the message of Christ spreads quickly. Then notes on the fisherman and the farmer. Love this. And then God uses people to lead others to Jesus.